Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something that I get asked about a lot. What are the best motorcycles for beginners? If you're just starting out in the world of motorcycles, choosing the right bike can be a bit overwhelming, so I'm here to help you out. But before we get into that, let me tell you a quick story. When I was just starting out, I made the mistake of buying a bike that was way too powerful for me. I ended up crashing it, and it was a really scary experience. That's why I want to make sure you don't make the same mistake I did. So, what should you look for when you're buying your first motorcycle? Here are some key factors to consider. First factor: comfort. First of all, you want a bike that's comfortable to ride. As a beginner, you're probably not used to spending hours on a motorcycle, so you want something that won't leave you feeling sore and tired after just a short ride. Look for bikes with comfortable seats, ergonomic handlebars, and foot pegs that are in a natural position for your body. Second factor: weight. Another important factor to consider is weight. As a beginner, you don't want a bike that's too heavy or difficult to handle. Look for bikes that are lightweight and easy to maneuver, especially when you're starting out. You can always upgrade to a heavier bike later on once you've gained more experience. Third factor: engine size. Next up, let's talk about engine size. It's tempting to go for a bike with a big, powerful engine, but as a beginner, that can be a recipe for disaster. Look for bikes with smaller engines, around 300 to 500 cubic centimeters, that are still fun and enjoyable to ride, but won't overwhelm you with too much power. Fourth factor: price. Finally, let's talk about price. As a beginner, you probably don't want to spend a fortune on your first bike. Look for bikes that are affordable and won't break the bank. Remember, you can always upgrade to a more expensive bike later on once you've gained more experience. So there you have it, my tips for choosing the best motorcycle for beginners. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a bike that's comfortable and easy to handle, and that won't intimidate you with too much power. And if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.